On the day that you want to do a very good dick appointment, you can prep these ones. But there are ones that are Zulu nochi. You might go on to an Zulu nochi, other plan. Yeah. You can just be anyhow. But on a proper.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Drum rolls. Drum rolls. See, I even rubbed red lipstick and came so that you know that what we are about to talk about is red, lush, and fierce.
You guys, Ogom series doesn't need an introduction.
No,
everybody on my comment
I need
section.
those small. Hype Buchanan small.
Everybody knows that. It's like if you're a YouTuber, you don't know Ogom, you don't know this.
Now, one day, if you don't know me, you don't know. And if you don't get it, forget it. You don't know anybody.
Oh, she knew one Abuja.
Yes, so yes, so.
Very soon, Bubuki and she
big.
She does cooking in Abuja. If you want to surprise your loved one in Abuja, that woman special dishes. Check out on Instagram. I think I'm going to give her Instagram handle.
Yes, so thank you so much.
Channel name, like, oh my goodness.
Thank you so much
like
for having me.
I will just carry my bag and come and stay upstairs in your house.
No problem.
Just to be eating.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
This is a Ogom series. She's a YouTuber based in Abuja. She does motherhood vlog. She's even a fitness coach.
Everything I do on this YouTube, so far the money is there.
Exactly.
We are doing.
She's an amazing woman.
Even shower routine, I do shower routine. No, come and watch shower routine. Premium shower. Uche, you haven't watched it. Go and watch it. Shower routine, you see everything, you know. You see everything there. On this YouTube, the Uchesa's house. We live here.
You guys, you are doing something very spicy.
Yes.
Cool. So you know, whenever I want to talk about sex in my videos, I like bringing the fact that I've been married for 8 years, so I'm very qualified to be calling pussy, penis, anything that on that. Oh my god. See, Ogom will do most of the talking in this video. I'll do
we are in this together. We are in this together. Nobody should. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
So I'll be doing the smiling and laughing.
Don't leave me.
Because over to you.
So today, grab your seats, take your popcorn. One jolly like this. So today we'll be talking about how to spice up your sex life.
Oh my goodness.
How to spice up your sex life. If you don't have popcorn, grab popcorn.
Yeah.
Then if you're on top of something, come down first and learn. Then you practice it. You want to go?
Yeah, that's true.
First of all, let's start with hot hearts.
Okay.
For we women, where they like MIC. If you don't know what is MIC, what is MIC?
To wash plates.
If you want that style, please try as much as possible to keep that place neat.
That's true.
Keep it neat. Then dear men, if you are the types that likes to give MIC, don't use your teeth. And to think of it, is this particular dress that I was wearing in NJ's video, is it whenever I'm wearing this gown, it will be all these things that I'll be talking about. I just remembered now. So dear men, if you they give you MIC, not they use your teeth, we need your tongue. We need your tongue. And women, please keep that place clean.
At least
shave. If you can't shave, go and wax. I think waxing lasts long, but me, I haven't done waxing. I'm planning for it. No, not awful. That's what I heard though, but me, I haven't tried it. But if you can hold the pain.
Are you serious?
Yes, now. Oh, mad. They will put it and between it like this.
Why so okay?
One. So, please, if you can't shave, you wax. If you can't wax, please try as much as possible to use clipper so that place will be clean. Then you also need to eat some food that will make that place to smell well.
Is that food you eat particularly that makes it smell
I had pineapple.
Oh, really?
Smell well and also taste sweet for you to be sweet. Eat fruits, more fruits. I heard it makes that place moist, wet and sweet.
Really?
Yes. Wet, moist and sweet. Don't forget these 3 words. Yes. If you need power horse, please women, feed your men right. Give them smoothies.
Okay.
They should drink smoothies.
Okay, it's good for their energy.
Yes, it's good. Not be every time, even for the general well-being. Not be every time. At least.
Well, what kind of, is it mixture of all the fruits?
Yes, I had watermelon, milk, and banana with yogurt to give your bottle power horse. Bagaba. That one aside. Then if you have a kind of man that is very romantic, not our Igbo husband.
No, futaba.
If it's for those that like you wearing all this, you know I came prepared.
Oh my goodness! Oh baby,
you see this one?
Chineke.
It's Ifonka. Wait, I will do example. No, don't worry, I'm just giving you sample.
Yeah.
You see?
Okay. Oh
this one is like Okwago. This one is like catapult. That's, you know, some men they like them with half a guy at one side. Now slide their in. So this is how it is. If your man likes this kind of things, just buy and wear for the during time for action. You wear like this. Hey, small yash they shake. So you wear this type. You now wear this type of uche kimono. You know, don't show everything first. You cover small. You know, you dance. After that, you just be opening it. Just be like a snack.
Okay, can you cry? Are you going to be doing all this procedure every day, every week?
You know they have dick appointments.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
On the day that you want to do a very good dick appointment, you can prep this one. But there are ones and a Zulu nochi. You can just be anyhow. But on a proper, this one they on candle, pour flour, this one.
Everything just set on the mood, you know. Yeah.
You can do this one.
You know, funny enough, I'm saying this. I've never done this kind of thing in my marriage. I'm thinking as in to have like appointments.
No, me my own anytime. I will take it anytime.
Okay. Can you hear?
One day he came back. I wanted to kiss him. Shift to go to pick up Batani Mena.
I think I went down Abuja. I would have told you our Igbo men.
Our Igbo men. You know they put work for them again.
No. It's a topic on its own.
It's a topic on the Nigerian men.
Especially Igbo men.
No. So if you not say your husband know they like all this one, no they do. One day I put food in a tray and brought for him. Say which kind of serere is this one? I say, I'm trying to make you a king. You don't want. Let me do you premium husband. You don't want. But carry your food now. You now bring food another. It's the area na tray. The first time I gave you tray, you said no. So carry food like this.
My goodness.
So marriage, anyhow way you see them, take calm. Anyhow way they work for you.
But I think once in a while it's good to imbibe in it's good to spice something up like this.
Just
once in a while. Even if your husband will say, what is happening here?
But
that feeling, you will never forget it, honestly.
That feeling, yes. Just do it.
Even eventually, if nothing happened, if there was no sex eventually. But let the environment just be welcoming.
Do serere, let it be. You on candle, let everywhere be smelling. You put music, slow music. But if you know they like all these things, no do them. Just do the one way fits you, the one that works for you. Do that one, please. Don't stress yourself for this life.
There's a question I want to ask. Since we are talking about marriage and sex and all whatnot, what if a husband that love doing matching your husband's energy in bed, like husband that love doing it every time? I was talking to a friend last week. I was saying that I bomb shot na sina crop top. He man like ni peke. I say mo obu no nya yi anu no. 2 days. Now I make go 2 rounds. So we should if marriage.
I full laps.
Yeah.
I've heard that story. I think I've heard that story.
So you guys, if you're watching me, please some men that are watching.
Yeah, because
some men not like that.
And some women that have that kind of husband, how do they cope?
Exactly.
Me, I haven't had that type of.
How do they cope?
Because me, I know I've said it before. Because kind of like fitness increases my libido. So I have a very high libido. So for my husband, it's kind of like medium. Now in they run for me. So, but I haven't had that type of okay, like they say, you know, there are some autobo like this, first round, like this, second round, third round.
Me, I was not considering what kind of energy do that man have. That was what I'm thinking.
That's for those that have a very high libido.
Okay, they are just naturally born with energy.
I'm not also daily high libido, but I think it's high.
All the very high.
All the high. Because so me, I haven't that kind, so I don't know how to advise.
No.
But she
just have to. Can give me when the other no.
Nah, this young father be ready at any time.
Or just avoid putting him in the mood. Since you know what put him in the mood, what triggers it.
Better.
What of the women now? Opposite.
Opposite. So that is it. If it's something that you know you are not comfortable with, and you have had a conversation about it, and nothing is changing. Me, I don't know. So if we talk about men, let's talk about women. There are women that their libidos are like high,
super high.
Like they get turned on at any minute of the day. That
ovulation, non-ovulation.
About that ovulation one, no more. Conji ovulation is different from normal conji. You know, your ex will be doing scratch. You just be looking for sperm to feast on. That is what that egg during time ovulation.
My goodness.
The conji is something else. So if you're in that situation, me, I don't know how to advise you.
Because
you can only have a discussion about it.
Because if a woman has that kind of high libido and the husband is really, really low, like one sex once in a week.
Me, I have high libido, but no be every time.
I'm a very, very active person in bed, I be in marriage, I be in sex, whatever you call it.
And talk about sex style. You know, some women will dundee. Don't be a dundee in the other room, please. If you need to watch all these ones, some people advise against it too. But if you need to watch to learn, if you wish to watch to learn, you learn. But you can go to Google. Google should be your friend. There are different styles you can see there, but don't do the gymnastic style where you know fit. If you know, if you know you are not flexible, don't try any like this. But me, I know my fantasy is 50 Shades of Grey. But if you know you know fit take the 50 Shades of Grey, like this. And you get blood of Jesus. So be active.
Goodness.
Be active. Try different. Not be every time mama style, missionary style. There are advanced missionary. There are advanced missionary, and please always get the form right. You know, even when you are doing workouts, you need to get the form right so that it will work. Same goes with sex. If you need to enjoy the benefit, the form well.
And
you know there are
is
ways
supposed to be enjoyable.
Enjoy, not
God
enjoy.
created this thing to
be
make us happy, to make us enjoy this thing. Like I always say, we're not having sex in heaven. So enjoy this thing. Enjoy with your time.
So please spice it up with different styles. Form well. If you are giving doggy, bend down. Or people to anketa say I know now. Bend down well. Come penetrate here very well. Even if it will be hitting the womb to shift it. No problem. Doctor can unshift it. Doctors can do everything. So enjoy your life. Enjoy your shouts. Shout your shouts. Yes. I know there are some people get turned on more when their wife is making sounds and the rest of them. Why some people they don't like that noise. I say, no, I'm a titled man. I'm a titled man, so they don't make noise. And I asked them, then how do you know? How do you know? You won't be really. You see how you lie. You lie.
But why is that? But why, men, if you're watching, why is it that they don't like talking that kind? They don't like
you see how you know that you see how you like. How can you tell me that you won't be making noise, but you be doing Is that how to tell us that you like? But we will be shouting that shout these shouts with us. We are in it together.
We are in this together.
So shout our shout. Give shout to us. As you say that our turn. Hey, Hada, Guomo. As they turn on, please, we also need to be turned on.
Exactly.
We need to be turned on.
Exactly.
So you
because
men,
that shouting actually help women.
Yes.
Like, it just make you feel like
like you are doing something right. So men, if you are watching this video, please listen to us. Listen to us. If you say that you want us to be looking sexy, also look sexy for us. Don't be wearing one particular boxers for us. Please, we don't like it. As we change, you too change. So men will tell us, this one, that one. As your wife is going to the gym, follow her to the gym. I didn't marry you as a pot-bellied man, so don't give me pot-belly. If you want me to change my weight, follow me to the gym. Both of us, we also need to be look sexy and snatched.
That's true.
So that is it though. So
oh my goodness. I told you I'll be doing the laughing, she'll be doing the talking.
So rate us.
Rate us in the comment section.
Rate us in the comment section.
Please don't forget to hurry to Augustine.
Yes,
I'm going to leave a collaboration video with this amazing, beautiful woman. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Our link will be in the comment section, in the description, everything. And
please grab us.
Please grab us.
If you are coming from my channel, please grab Uche.
Thank you so
much.
Then
if you are coming from Uche's channel to my channel, grab me.
Grab her like this.
Anywhere, please grab us.
And if you have any siblings you want to offer, like surprise food,
yes, please contact me. Food trays for birthday parties and the rest of them. So.
Anything food, contact her.
Please, I'm in Abuja.
Yes.
Thank you so much for having us.
Will be Yes. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. Yes, I did. You know sometimes.